Hello everyone, welcome to the new night point of view. We're in Munich, Germany.
100 meters, turn right onto Dachauer Strasse.
Okay, we're in Munich, Germany. We're gonna come to the Autobahn, and this particular Autobahn has patches of road with no speed limit, so it means you can drive as much as you want or as fast as you want. Well, we're gonna test the top speed on my Tesla Model 3 long range 2021 refresh. This is the model with Panasonic batteries. So a little correction in my review videos, thanks to my dyslexia, I've kind of mixed up the names. I said Philips, but it's not Philips, it's Panasonic batteries. Tesla used to use LG batteries, now they are Panasonic. So all tire pressure here, if anyone notices, is currently one tire, but I've realized that when the car is when it's colder outside, the tire pressure, which has Bluetooth sensors, thinks it's a low tire pressure, but it's actually not. I've checked. So as soon as it warms up, it just disappears. The message disappears, and when I check what it says on the screen, it says the tire pressure is good. So
now take the A99 ramp on the right.
Don't worry if you see this. It doesn't mean I have a bad inflation. I wouldn't go on the highway if I had a lower air pressure in one tire. Okay, without that out of the way, we are getting on the Autobahn. Autobahn just means a highway or a motorway. So what's interesting, the German highways are free, so it means you don't have to pay anything. Well, the Germans are paying it through the taxes, but there was an idea to start charging for the foreign people, but that didn't happen, luckily. But there's a new voting for the political party. I don't want to go to the politics, but just that's what I've heard. The new Democrats in the country are probably going to win, and they are for the idea of putting speed limits and removing the unrestricted zones. So that would be very unfortunate. There's a lot of lobby against that. You can imagine that the car industry in Germany is supporting no speed limits. So you can see the sign over here. That white sign means this is the no speed limit zone, but if you see the traffic light speed limit, that means that there is a speed limit. In this case it's 120, so they monitor the traffic and the flow of the traffic, so they adapt the speed limits if they think it's unnecessary. So I'm on cruise control. You can see that the white sign on the top crossed 100. This means that you can just fly as fast as you want. I'm gonna cancel my cruise control and just speed up here while we have a chance. So I'm in the chill mode, catching the top speed. I'm gonna switch to the left lane. So you really gotta pay attention to the traffic at the front. $200, 233 should be the top speed, but the traffic just won't allow that. So we'll see if it clears out. So you gotta check just my corners. Gotta put it to autopilot because just a safer way to switch to standard driving mode. So that'll give us the fastest kick. Germany has a very disciplined people, disciplined drivers who pay attention to the left lane. They let go the faster people, so there's a nice group of educated people who know how to drive fast, and it's normal. So just you have to be responsible, and if everyone's doing their fair share of responsibility, then it's okay. Let's see if I can punch it through here. But I don't have room, so might clear out. Okay, there we go. See if we can reach the top speed. And there you go, top speed in my Model 3. Oh, we've even exceeded the 234. Wow, that's amazing. And legally, at this speed, you really have to pay attention at the front to start braking on time. Power consumption, you can see it on the bottom. I'm not looking, 34 kilowatts. It's pretty good for the top speed. Sorry if I'm a little bit too loud. It's just there was a lot of wind noise because of the banner roof. But what's awesome about the Model 3 and the Tesla, just you punch it and it just keeps flooring, so you can easily keep up the speed. But there's some traffic, so I'm just gonna let go, recuperate, and just coming down to 2 lanes. There are unrestricted parts even in the 2 lanes, but again, thinking about others and adapting to the road conditions, it's just safer, you know, to adjust your speed. So no speed limit means doesn't mean you can be irresponsible. Just means you can drive as fast as you want if the conditions allow it. Otherwise, it would be stupid and reckless. You can kill yourself or someone else. Speed doesn't necessarily kill you. Stupidness and irresponsible driving does. So for me, I've reached the top speed, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to put it to the autopilot and just enjoy the drive on the Autobahn. So if you did like this video, smash the like button. Be a cool person, it just helps me a lot with the algorithm. Share it with your friends if you want to share someone at the top speed legally driving, because this is illegal in every other country. Even in Croatia we have a tolerance up to 160, almost 156, but if you're foreign, just 140 is enough for you in the safe spot. But over here you can go as much as you want. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Stay safe as always, and bye.